inspiring after working so long on a product to see to hear stories from the field. And next, for a very different type of app, I want to invite Emery on the stage from HomeAway to talk about how they increased user engagement with this new technology.
Thanks. All right, hi everyone. My name is Emery Cox, and I'm an Android lead at HomeAway, an Expedia brand company. And today I want to talk about Local, an experiment we built using Cloud Firestore and Firebase. HomeAway is a vacation rental marketplace, and as you might imagine, some of the challenges we face are unique to the travel industry. But we also face the same problem as businesses everywhere. How do we increase user engagement? Thankfully, on this point, our users were kind enough to give us some direction. Travelers want local know-how wherever they go. One thing I love about the vacation rental industry is the community. It's a really warm group of people, and they happen to have exactly what our travelers want: local expertise. So we set out to create an experience bringing travelers and the community together to share local insights. From the outset, we faced the same problems plaguing any new product. How does it work? How do we build it? What tools will we use? In fact, for this project, a primary challenge was simply resourcing, with effectively one person working on the project at any given point in time. Fortunately for us, even at a big company, sometimes the most important thing is just getting a small team together and letting them run. So, with limited resources, we faced a technology choice. Do we use the standard HomeAway tooling, or do we try something different? With the standard tooling, we'd probably end up with an architecture that looks something like a client app serving 2 user experiences with 1 server, 1 database, and a handful of integrations. This architecture is manageable in theory for a team of 1, but we wondered if there might be an accelerator we could leverage. Enter Cloud Firestore. Cloud Firestore bills itself as a real-time database for mobile development. We didn't have first-hand experience with serverless architectures at the time, but we were enticed to test it out based on the promises the product offered. Immediately, Firestore replaced our traditional server database architecture with an SDK, allowing us to focus singularly on the client. As a NoSQL database, it offered a flexible solution for the data requirements of our app and was optimized for our preferred access patterns, providing real-time and offline behaviors for free. While this sufficed for our CRUD operations, like many apps, we also needed some asynchronous behaviors. Here again, Firestore offers a solution out of the box, rounding out the missing pieces of our behavior with first-class eventing support in-app and simple integration with cloud functions for ad hoc service actions. We then used the remaining Firebase tools to flesh out the backbone of our application, allowing us to isolate Local from the larger HomeAway platform while at the same time enabling key integrations for a non-platform experience. So, putting it all together, we ended up with an Android application where, if my demo runs, oops. All right, putting it all together, we ended up with an Android application where travelers ask for recommendations, travelers explore, and locals will recommend. All right, everyone. So summing it all up, for HomeAway, Cloud Firestore and Firebase really proved an accelerator for our experimental mobile development, driving Local from idea to reality and empowering our small team's success. Thanks for the time.
Thank you, Emery. Thank you, Emery. Sorry about the glitch for the demo. A big thank you to the Whipper and HomeAway teams for coming here today and sharing their experience. That was really great. Thank you all for coming.